What the bro? What are you doing? What's wrong with you, man?
Double solid fine. Cops get them too. Well, it says Paradise Falls, South America, and they're actually called.
Oh shit!
I hope we got that on the dash cam, dude.
Oh,
Что ты делаешь-то? Придурочно. Вот сюда записал. Да, за паршом полетел. Это называется Instant Karma.
Lonely out in space on such a timeless flight. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time.
Okay, here we go.
Before we begin, I'm going to say that this is stupid, and all of you are stupid. Stupid like a fox, though. That's not a thing!
Okay, Steve, what's the next item on your list? Chief Science Officer Eliak Sears wished to return to his home planet and debate his colleagues regarding the possibility of a theory that unifies both macro and quantum mechanics.
Oh, joy.
Okay, Steve, what's the next item? And quantum mechanics.
Oh, joy. The theory of everything. Okay, fine.
Stop Mr. Sullivan's ticket and rebook him on the next transport, Sultan said. I'm having the other retrieve him and bring him here. That should take a half hour or so. Grumpily, and motioned Meyer and Holloway forward. We need to talk about the disposition of the substance. Meyer said. No, we don't. Sultan said.
What if it's a company that's like biggest, like outside of? What if it's a company like, you know, like,
Holy shit.
they're mean.
Oh, you dum dum. You dum dum. Oh.
berries today. These fuckers. fucking people are stupid.
They're oblivious to fucking.
Oh! Woo! And she wonders why her car looks like that. What the fuck, you fucking twat? Jesus Christ.
See the fuck again.
Is really trying to accurately convey anything I might be trying to say. I just find that they always somehow.
Oh shit!
My
abortion rights and looking at where we came from and where we are now and trying to assess what it means.
Well,
His front end's out here. Want your bumper back?
Damn, dog, you couldn't see my turn signal, bro?
What was your hurry?
There's a cop right here too, right? Beautiful. Were you just sitting there to...
I was just coming to get a Red Bull. I've been working a movie thing since 6 o'clock this morning.
I'm pretty sure you're up now.
Hey, this isn't for me, right?
quality he couldn't put into words. Once again, he found himself wondering.
Call 911.
Calling 911.
You have reached a 911 emergency. Please do not hang up. We are experiencing a high call volume at this time. However, your call is very important to us. An operator will be with you as soon as possible. Have your location ready for the operator. Please do not hang up.
Ugh. You fucking kidding me?
I think you selected English. Do you want to change language? I think you selected English. Do you want to change language?
No. Seriously? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, what an asshat.
The corner of High Street and Trans.
I think they really probably extra stressed out the fucking. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! You gotta be fucking kidding me! Not even a fucking year and this car is wrecked. Really? Did you watch when you were fucking backing up? Calm down. I'm okay.
You gonna get him for cutting you off?
Yeah.
That car
That's
cut us
awesome.
off. Oh, so the highway patrol just, yup.
That's great.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Nigga, stop snoring. Crack up on the six, you how about just kept pouring? Ay, bitch, I am not him. Fuck it up, sis, you a freaky bitch. You selling ass for the cash, you want freaky shit.
Because we just about got rear-ended.
Okay.
That car just about rear-ended us.
And this truck is spinning out of control.
We just, wow.
Feel the ice.
Yep.
Are you braking still?
Yep.
And why are you accelerating?
Because we just about got rear-ended.
Okay.
That car just about rear-ended
And
us.
this truck is spinning out of control.
We just... Wow.
Side like the axles broke. Like, dude, where are you gonna go with this car?
It's gonna get hairy.
Don't go too fast, buddy. Don't go too fast. I've never seen a car dog track like that before.
It's driving sideways. Uh-oh.
Oh shit. Oh, we're not too close.
Listen, I will say this. This person driving is good. That guy's a good driver, you gotta give him credit.
Oh boy!
Oh, this is great, not gonna make it, not gonna make it.
Oh, we did it! Congratulations! He has learned to drive with a disability. He's bought a disabled car! What is wrong? His tire's gonna fall off. It's got to fall off. Like something's gonna snap.
I'm crying.
Could you imagine? You see the people's head in the back seat just whipping around?
I'm gonna give that car a DUI, not the driver.